Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone's okay. Uh, Today in this video, I'm going to explain little about how we can upload comments. Actually, in this video is not about only the comments. Actually, I am going to explain how we can upload all the marks of assessment, like any quizzes, then your participation students, classwork, homework, your final exams and comments all together in one click. Okay, for this one I suggest that you must keep your comments ready and all the other calculations like quizzes and other things ready. Once you have all the things ready, then we can start the work. Reason of this one is to keep things ready. Just like if you remember, we have been using Excel sheet for each semester wise 30%, and of course, then we enter final exams and then become out of 100 consolidated sheets. So the same thing, if you have the data, so you can easily transfer over there. Okay, I will show you how. For this one, we need to go to modules, then academic learning, then go to this manage assessment guidance, guidance and grading. Okay, once you are over here, this is the grade book. Okay, for each of the subject, gradebook is already encoded by the MIS department. Okay, so you don't need to encode anything. You don't need to change because with the consent of all the department, management system MIS has been already encoded. So just for an example, over here, grade 10, I have grade 10, section B, and my subject is business studies. Let's start. Okay, over here you can see multiple columns here. And you can see this overall column is freeze. And there's a quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 4, participation, homework, classwork, and at the end, final exam. Okay. And you can see there's no column of entering comments. So what to do? Okay. If you look at this one, overall, when you bring your cursor over there, a small message type, a cloud type icon will appear just like this. Look at the each of the students. So it's going to be very difficult that you even you copy from your Word file and paste individual wise. It's going to be very difficult, and you keep typing over here after 20, 20, 20. So this is going to be very difficult. Okay. I'm sure some of our brothers and sisters they have already entered individually. Now I'm going to show you one trick over there. Okay, if you want to enter comment manually, so simply click here. A small window will appear. When you enter the comment here, you can copy paste here. After press OK, you have to save. So this is long and tedious way. Okay. Now I'm going to give you another shortcut way. That is one. Look at the right hand side. If you remember three dots, okay, we used to use. So this is three dots. If you click these three dots, okay, over this import and download import file template. Okay, once you click this one, it will give you a window like this. Okay, and over here, I suggest you to uncheck all because over here I need only student ID, first name, last name, and overall score comments. Score 1, score 2, score 3, participation, classwork, homework, class, and this all. This left side, this whole left side from score 1 till bottom final one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this 4, 10. This is semester 1 and this is semester 2. Right now we don't need this one. Okay, so right now what you do, just click these things and click download. Okay, just leave and you just download the Excel sheet. Once you click this one, okay, one Excel sheet will be downloaded. Okay, now you can see over here there are multiple columns here: student ID, student name, okay, overall comments, and these all you can adjust. This one, click this all the columns, go to formats and auto fit column width. So now you can read. So all the columns are being adjusted automatically. Okay, you can enter all the scores here, okay, out of 20 for each of the students, their marks yani, okay, including final score. Okay, and the overall comments will be here. Okay, okay, so this is one thing. Once you finish this one, save it, and then you go back over here, click these three dots, and then click export. When you click the export, okay, this is the new sheet. I'm not going to actually upload right now, and I'm going to show you another thing. When you click this one, this is a different thing, yani. Okay, so this is 10B, this all thing. Again, you can select all the columns, and you can adjust auto fit columns here. So you can see overall score column is here, comment column is here. Okay, these dots shows it means there will be some numbers. So over here, overall score, just leave it empty. Do not enter anything here. Okay, you can enter the comments here. Okay, and rest you can enter all the scores of 4 tests, participation out of 5, homework and classwork, and your exam score. Is it out of 70 or out of 60, out of 100, whatever, as per your subject. But please do not enter over here, because once we upload this one, this column will be calculated automatically. So you don't need to apply any formula that you're thinking, okay, what is the total score, what is the thing. You don't need to do anything. Okay, just save it for your understanding and easiness. Okay, I have already done one sheet over here. I can show you there. Okay, see, this is a sheet I have already prepared for you. Okay, so I have put comments here. Okay, but I left this column empty, and then I have put it's long actually. So score of the quizzes. This is quiz 2, 3, and 4, and of course quiz 1 will be little this side. Okay, and then participation, homework, classwork, exam score out of 70. Once this everything is ready, just save it. Okay, and okay, and then let's go over here. Now you need, what you need to do, you need to import, okay, the file which you have already prepared it. Actually, I have shown you 2 files, so whatever file you use is up to you. I recommend you must use this second file, okay, this one that you have done export first, and then you're going to upload. Now open it and upload. Once upload, it shows you all the columns. So on the right hand side, you can see there are some buttons here. So totally skip it. We don't need. Over here, what we need to do, student ID. So go to student ID. Okay. And then overall score comment. Over here, overall score, and one is comment. So you press comment here. Rest quiz 1, quiz 2, so go to the quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 3, quiz 4, quiz 4, and then participation score 1, participation score 2, okay, and then homework, classwork, and then final, and that's it. Import. You see overall scores automatically calculated. Okay, so quiz 1, 2, 3, 4, and then participation, all scores is here. Again, no comment here, right? So for the comment, go to overall and click this again, this cloud button. Okay, you see comment is here. If you want to change, you can change here, but everything uploaded in one click. The moment you press save, it will be saved. But if you want to change after it, you can re-upload the sheet. If you want to change everything, or if you want to change only small thing, you can change even from here. Still you are allowed, no problem at all. Look, so this is how you can upload your country assessment, your exams, comments, everything. Once you're done, then please leave filters at the moment. Once you're done, then click over there and then you complete. Click the complete. Once you complete, it will be automatically submitted. I'm not going to click this complete button. Okay. So this is it. If you have any question, you can ask me. I hope this will be self-explained, but still, if you still need more explanation, I will be there. At the moment, just focus on gradebook, report card, assessment, and grade setup. Grade setup is already done by the MAS. Okay, so you don't need to worry. I'm not going to save it at the moment, so I will go back. Thank you.